I like to talk about our products as products with a story. And this is the story of what I call Troy's Truckwash. Now, Troy Pantel has been in the mining industry for years, and he's never encountered a problem that he didn't want to solve, or at least try. So he was talking with a colleague, and at their mine site, an operator had suffered a severe eye injury from incidental contact with the Truckwash. And he said, can we make one that's got less potential for harm? And I said, well, we can certainly try. And during the conversation, he said, the other thing about this site is all the vehicles are corroding really badly. Is there anything we can do with the Truckwash to incorporate a corrosion inhibiting property that might help? So I said, yeah, sure. So originally I wanted to use a non-ionic surfactant, but I couldn't. I had to use an anionic surfactant, or I would have to lose all my quick break properties as a compromise, and I didn't want to do that either. So I formulated the Truckwash, and I got some very good results. I talked to a friend in the oil industry who had this situation on offshore oil rigs where they're dealing with salt water, and the water at the mine site is atrocious. I'll just do a quick conductivity reading, and what I've got is some Mackay town water, and the conductivity is about 500 microsiemens per centimetre. But on the mine water that they're using to wash the trucks, it's actually 210,000 microsiemens per centimetre. So it's 200 times more dissolved salts in the mine water, which are potentially corrosion causing. So that was good background information. So anyway, we formulated the Truckwash, and we've got, even though the pH is slightly higher than 7, it's still fairly low alkalinity. So it's going to sting, but hopefully avoid that corneal damage that was suffered by the operator. So that was ticked off. Next thing, when I incorporated the corrosion inhibiting technology, I used 2 nails as corrosion coupons. Now I know it's not a British standard test, but we don't wash trucks in laboratories. So the results were quite outstanding. I wasn't expecting anything this good. After 10 days, the nail I put in the just plain mine water has severely corroded to the point where its initial weight was 22.7 grams, and we've actually lost 0.4 of a gram of metal, which is a loss of about a tick under 2% of the original. Now this is the same water from the mine, the same mine water, but with a bit of Truckwash in it, and it's virtually corrosion free. There's a tiny little bit on the tip, but nothing like the metal loss we suffered here. So that worked, that was an outstanding result. It's not the answer to corrosion inhibition on the mine site, but it's certainly a help. But the only other thing I was a bit concerned about was, had I lost some of the quick break properties? And here what we've got is, after about 4 minutes, I've recovered about 80% of the emulsified oil that was in the water. Now, I'll have to say that would not pass the Sydney Water Board test for quick break. But in a mine site situation, that would certainly suffice as being collectible oil. So that's not too bad at all. So all in all, we've achieved our goal. We've got a Truckwash that cleans very well. It's got low alkalinity to reduce the risk or severity of corneal damage. It certainly acts as a corrosion inhibiting agent, at least while it's being washed, and we've still retained most of the quick break properties. So that's the story of Troy's Truckwash. I'm very happy with these results. I can't wait to see Troy and show him. And if there's anything you need help with, this is the sort of work we do. And if you've got a problem, feel free to contact us. Their details are at the end of the video. Well, thank you very much for watching, and watch out for more episodes. Thank you.